No assembly required. Wow.
Starring
Trev.
and Lynx. Come on, old man, I thought you liked swimming.
Knock it off, you cheeky little bugger.
Good morning. It's 3:15 on the 12th of September. We've left home. The speedometer is 162391. We're leaving to go to the desert. I want to take my boy out and we're going to go and check it out. So first stop, I think we'll just aim towards St. George and then we'll see how we go from there. Stay tuned. So we're just 6 kilometres out of St. George. We've reached our first destination. We're going to head out to the campsite where I stayed the night before I come back from the last trip. It's a good spot. I like it. Got to our first campsite and we've set up our tent. We've got some firewood ready. We'll come down here and check out this spot that we found. Freaking awesome little spot here down on the Blonde River, just out of St. George. It's about 25 minutes that way, and most of it's tar seal, blacktop, and then you've got a little bit of dirt road, and they weren't that bad. The grids were okay. Yeah, and then you just come along here, and the Blonde River opens up, and there's this pretty good clearing. It's mostly flat too, and yeah.
We're going to sleep well tonight.
Yeah, man. I'm knackered. He's like, whoop-de-doo. This is where we're going to come for an after dinner mint. We're just going to go down here to our little hidey spot. I think Lincoln's getting set up for a fire. Hey mate.
Hey Dad.
Are you going to light the fire?
Yeah.
Sick.
We got a flint and steel. Flint. And a knife. There we go.
Good job, mate.
Oh, awesome.
I love it here. We've just arrived here in Cunnamulla. We're just on the river. We're going to bake an eggs and we're going to head out to Thargomindah. First off, we're going to stop in at Yulo and go and see Col in the Yulo Queen. And then we're going to go to the little opal shop there and see Doug and maybe Fossick something. Oh, it's day 3. Hello. Lincoln and I, we've just had breakfast. We stayed in Thargomindah Caravan Park last night, Explorers Caravan Park. Thanks to Dogger for putting us up, and thanks to Daisy and Duck for a beautiful meal again. We went to the pub last night. I had that T-bone, another one, a massive one. It beat me again, I couldn't finish it. Somehow this guy ate his whole meal. It was awesome. So anyway, I was umming and ahhing what we were going to do today. I was thinking we're going to go straight out to Inaminka, but I'm like, no, we don't have to. There's no rush. So actually we're backtracking up. We left Thargomindah. We're heading up to Quilpie. We're going to go down through Uramanga for Dave Stewart because, you know, he reckons we missed it and it's famous, you know, comic porn. But we're going for the dinosaurs. I don't know if there's going to be any comic porn there. So yeah, left Thargomindah, heading up to Quilpie, then we're going to cut down to Uramanga, and then we're going to head back down, and I don't know how far we're going to get. We'll probably just find a free camp somewhere and just camp the night, but I've already filled out my pass for South Australia and we're going to go in there either today or tomorrow, see how we travel. But yeah, awesome. Happy days. We're having a really good time. Love yous all.